Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Nowadays, people are interested to trade in Bitcoin. It is a 24 hours market and it is very volatile market. So let us see whether our MSTI core indicator will be working on Bitcoin or not. So now how to add our indicator? You all know this is not a free indicator. It is a subscription based paid indicator. So once you have made the payment, our indicator will be available in indicator section under invite only mode. So go to the indicators and select invite only option and you can see our indicator there. Just click on the indicator, automatically it will be added to your chart. That's all. If you are adding for the first time, wait for 15 minutes time to get it updated in the TradingView server. So after 15 minutes, close the entire app. If you are using on Windows or system, close the browser and open after 5 minutes. That's all, your indicator will be activated. You can see in the indicator details as access granted. Now let us see our strategy. What's our strategy? It is very simple. Again go to MSTI core indicator settings at the middle point and give the reset settings. Reset. Nothing else you have to do. So now you are given option to trade in Heikin-Ashi mode or in normal candles mode. If you are trading in Heikin-Ashi mode, let one green candle close below the sell zone and low of that candle is broken, then you can go for the sell entry at the retracement at the same value. For example, today in Bitcoin, what has happened? We have formed two zones, bottom zone and top zone. The bottom zone we are calling it as buy zone and the top zone we are calling it as sell zone initially. Once sell is activated and targets are hit, our trading will be over. If a sell hit, we will be going for the reversal entry and that reversal entry for sell entry we are calling it as second buy. Similarly for buy zone, first buy will be activated. If targets hit, our trading will be over. If SL hit, then we have to go for the reversal entry and that reversal entry is called as second sell. That's all, is very simple. If sell activated, there is no buy. If buy activated, there is no sell until SL hit. If SL hit, we have to go for the reversal entry. Don't forget to put the stop loss. What will be the stop loss now? See, in this example, I can show you by doing bar replay also. I am keeping the bar replay button here. I am enabling this. So now look at this. Buy zone and sell zone got formed and one candle got rejected here. Next candle is a green candle. The third candle is the red candle closed below our zone. Now let the market to break this candle low. Okay. Then once the low is broken, again the market will come to nearby the closing price or 50% of the previous candle, that is a broken candle. So there you have to go for the entry, sell entry. Once sell is activated, what we are supposed to do? Go to the settings again, remove the buy zone and enable the targets. By default, 3 targets will be enabled. If you want, you can enable the extra targets here. Options are given. So now again I am running the market. First target, second target, third target is hit. Once again market is reversing back to our zone. Again if it is going, again based on that confirmation, one candle should close below the zone, then low of that candle is broken. Then at retracement you have to go for the sell entry. So again 3 targets almost hit. Once again it is going back to our zone. Let us see whether it is touching. Yes, it has exactly touched. And one red candle has closed below and low of that candle is broken. Now we have got the third time also entry. See how perfectly it is going back to our zone again and again and again. Again from the same place it is falling down. Now who is controlling the market? This is the international market, Bitcoin. We don't know what will happen. Anything may happen. But our MSTI core indicator exactly found the predicted where it will reverse. Where it will reverse and what will be the target. Everything it has identified. Look at the third target. How exactly it has touched our third target here. Once again it has reached our sell zone, again it has fallen. Third time also it has touched our sell zone, again it has fallen to our third target, almost third target. So this is how we have to trade. It is very simple. Same method you have to follow for all the scripts. Okay, when the market when the market is going only in the upside, let the market go. Once it is reducing, that is the power of the candle is reduced, then we have to go for the sell entry. Similarly, if the market keeps on falling, don't take immediate entry. Wait for the market to reverse by forming one green candle and high of that green candle is broken. It is not compulsory that every day you have to take entry. You can miss some days when you don't get a perfect entry, but don't miss the perfect profit setup. So follow the strategy, be a disciplined trader and become a successful trader. If you want to subscribe our indicator, please call us or WhatsApp us at the given number 9500009154. Now let us see what has happened in Diwali Muhurt trading in Bank Nifty. Okay, in Bank Nifty what has happened. I will just give a reset button. In default settings, no trading was activated because only 1 hour was the trading day yesterday. So now what we yesterday did, we just changed it to NSE tomorrow market. NSE tomorrow market, and see what has happened. Exactly, sell got activated and two targets hit, I think. Let me check this. So one target in tiny session it is given, but actually what we'll be doing, minimum tiny 2 stop loss and tiny 2 target will be keeping, but for Nifty we can give tiny 3 also. Okay, so now you can see exactly sell triggered and almost 3 targets perfectly hit. So yesterday people thought that market will go upside, everyone was in call option, but our indicator only said that market is going to fall, and this setup we know one day advance. Before this happened, we know one day in advance, that so that we will be well prepared that at this level we will be taking the put option buy. If it is going beyond 25,932, we will be buying call option. It is not simply a naked trade, it is not a no wise trade, it is a well prepared knowledgeable trade. That is our price action based advanced MST I-Core indicator. Whoever interested to subscribe, please connect with us. We'll be happy to help you all. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best.